Today is our 5th annual Grazing Festival in Paradise, and we're at the Terry Ashe Memorial Center. This is a free community event for all ages.
Welcome to the Grazing Festival!
We offer goat yoga, we have a petting zoo, we have a little story time with goats, a watermelon eating contest, face painting, caricature.
So awesome!
We have vendors, lots of good food, live music.
I just love goats in general. We're out with them every day, and our goats work hard, and they do jobs that we can't do during fire season with mechanized tools. We brought some of our goats for a herding demonstration. We push them with the dogs in and out, simulating what we do out in the field. We graze upwards of 1,000 acres a year right now, and we're growing and doing more every year. I think from a community standpoint, this is a great event for education on what goats can and can't do, as well as sheep, and some of the other options out there for fire safety and fuels remediation. There's just a ton of information and interaction for the kids and everybody to come out and enjoy it.
I think it's an opportunity to come together and learn. There's a wide variety of ways that goats and sheep, as our friendly four-legged firefighters, can help us with wildfire safety and being prepared for wildfire. Not only are they good for fuels reduction, but in terms of stewardship of our lands, grazers have been part of the landscape for millennia, and so being able to reintroduce that as a natural practice is really important. It's a big milestone at 5 years in terms of being able to see people coming back who've been here in years past and just saying how much they love the event, but then also being able to expand the audience and add in some new components, which we're always excited about each year.
Hey girls, we're gonna be on camera.
It feels nice to see so many people that I've seen over the past 4 or 5 years, and then new people coming out, new people that have just moved to the Ridge, a lot of people from Chico this year. People were smiling, laughing, having fun, and that's what we wanted. We want that part of it, but also that education piece of why these animals are so important on our landscapes.
Thank you all for coming to the Paradise Grazing Festival. Hope you all enjoy your day.